Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be another video in our multiple planner series. So I have been doing this series talking about how I use multiple planners in order to manage my day in my life. And today's video is going to be on my notebook setup in my planner. But if you're new around here, let me give you a little bit of information about my planner. My planner is a Happy Planner Big. It's 8.5 by 11. The cover is a tool notebook cover. It has pockets on the inside here, and I am using the gold expandable disc. So these are the gold expandable disc by Happy Planner. Within this planner, I have 7 planners. I did add this tool notebook business card holder as well, and that's mainly because I was putting a bunch of cards in the side here, but they were getting a little bit too bulky and making my cover kind of sit up when it was closed. So when I saw this in Office Depot, I decided to pick it up because then that way I can have business cards on me if I need to hand one out, but it won't make my cover too bulky. So the way that I have set up my notebooks is I have a mini notebook in front of each planner that I have. So with a particular planner, there is a note section that coincide with that planner. So then that way I can easily flip to that planner, and then I'm able to see all of the notes that are associated with that planner right there. The very first one is my catch-all planner. My catch-all planner is an hourly happy planner, and if any one of you out there have seen the 2021 release and you have seen the hourly happy planner big, let me know in the comments below. I am under the impression that they may have discontinued the hourly happy planner big because I can't find this particular layout for 2021, which means I may have to make some adjustments or make some inserts for 2021. I'm still trying to figure that out, but I saw that Happy Planner did release the 2021 planners, and I did not see a Happy Planner big hourly. So if you have seen it, definitely let me know in the comments below. But anyway, in my catch-all planner, which is my hourly happy planner, the only thing that I keep in this front section in front of the planner is my brain dump. So throughout the course of the day, as different things are happening, I usually need a place to process information. This is where anything that may come up, anything that I'm thinking of, anything that needs to be added to a planner, but I don't have the time to add it at that very moment, I will jot it down here. So this is just a way for me to process information that is coming at me very quickly. So I will just jot it down here, and then I may add it to my planner at the end of the day, or if it's something that I can do really, really quickly, I will, just kind of check it off in that moment. I have a key at the very top of my brain dump, and the key basically just kind of lets me know if I've actually processed the information and added it to my planner, or if it's completed and doesn't need to be added to my planner, or whatever the case may be. So as you can see, it's a check mark to basically say that it was processed partially. That means I did something toward it, but it's not all the way completed. I have a full check mark with a little tick mark that lets me know that it is done completely and I don't need to do anything further. And I have an X for canceled, and that basically just means that I no longer need to add that item to my planner. So that's the only thing that I keep in the front of my catch-all planner, and it's just a bunch of blank pages behind it, and I just continuously run down this sheet of paper all the way to the end, and then when I'm finished, I pull it out and I'll discard it. The next planner section that I have is my business planner or my social media planner. And with that one, I have a couple of other notebook different things going on in the front of this planner. The very first spread is my video ideas. So this is my video ideas for September 20. And as you can see, I just will jot down any ideas that I have. After I have filmed the video, I will just mark it off here to let myself know that it has been filmed. If it is posted, then I will add a check mark. So on this one, I just need to add a check mark here. And this is just a very simple system to where if I get any ideas, I will just add them to this sheet. The next page is my video scripts. So this is also in the very front of my planner. After the video ideas, I will just add any scripts, any outlines, anything that I want to kind of talk to you guys about. I will add it here. So it's just a basic, handwritten note to myself with a bunch of notes of different videos that I want to film. The next page is ideas for blogs or emails that I want to send out. So every single Thursday, I send out an email to anyone who has signed up for my email list, and I will jot down different ideas of different things that I want to blog about or email out to all of my subscribers on my email list. So this is just a great way for me to kind of stay on top of any blogs or any emails that I want to send out. And once again, I just mark them off and check them off whenever they are completed. After this, I just have some blank pages here for any other thing that I want to add. But the very next section that I have up here is my trackers. The first one that you'll see is my YouTube tracker. YouTube is the main platform that I track on a consistent basis. And as you can see, I've started it from 50,000 and it's going to go all the way up to 100,000. And I love this system because I love to see my progress. A lot of times when you're in the mix and you're constantly filming videos and trying to post and edit, it's really, really easy to get discouraged if you get a negative comment, or you can get discouraged if you feel like you're not progressing. It's kind of hard to see your progress when you're always in it. So having a YouTube tracker for me is a great way to stay on top of my actual numbers, to see how I'm growing. If there's something that I'm doing that's working, this kind of lets me know if something is working, if it's not working, if I need to adjust. So I love having a YouTube tracker. I really believe that I'm going to do it for Instagram too. I have not done it for Instagram just as of yet. We just crossed 20,000 over there, but I am planning on doing both because it's really a fun way just to monitor your growth and see how far you've come along throughout the course of the year. And the next page is a projects page. So like I said, it's very easy to get super consumed with the day-to-day things that you have to do for your business. So keeping a projects page and keeping it very simple, where I kind of keep my long-term goals of different things that I want to complete for my business, is a great way for me to just kind of stay on top of what I am trying to do in the long run. So my day-to-day actions go into my planner, but my long-term projects kind of stay on this page until I can add them either to my monthly spread, or I am adding them to my actual daily spread. It's just a place where I can kind of jot down ideas and to kind of stay on top of different things that I want to do. The next tab I am not going to show you guys because it has a lot of personal information on it, but it is my clients tab. So I have sheets of paper just like these I have emails that I will print out and add into this section of my planner. And that is just a place where I can just stay on top of my one-on-one clients. So I do coaching calls with my TOM system, the Organized Money system, where I will help my clients learn exactly how to plan their life and manage their money. We are literally, it's a coaching session, and I am monitoring their progress. I am seeing how the system is working for them. And whenever we are meeting, this is where I am jotting down my notes. The next planner that I have is my home planner. And in my home planner, I'm keeping track of routines, cleaning, different things that I just want to get done with my house or with my family. The very first page is my morning and my evening routine. Now, I had this in my bullet journal. So if you remember a couple of months ago, I did a bullet journal video where I was showing you the different spreads that I kept separately from my planner. Just recently, I have decided to put them all together because I'm really trying to keep everything in one book as much as possible, so I only have to carry around this planner. Previously, when I would write out my routines, I would do it this way, where I would do AM routine, PM routine, and then I would write out all of the list of things that I want to do. The problem with it was I kept changing my routine. I would constantly update my morning routine versus my night routine. I would do different things, and I had to keep redoing the sheet and keep adding new stickers and keep trying to decorate it and make it look nice. So what I did instead was put it on Post-it notes. So then that way, with it on Post-it notes with just a little washi tape at the bottom, if I ever change my routine, I can easily peel off the washi tape and take up the sticky note and put down a new sticky note. So it's really a great way for me to be able to change out my morning and my evening routine at any point in time and not feel obligated to stick to that particular set of routines when I have changed it, or have to continuously redo my routines page every time I update one of the different things on my list. So if you want to know how I am able to use this, if you flip back to my catch-all planner, this is my catch-all planner where I will kind of write in the different things that I'm supposed to do. Sometimes I will put home here, and that kind of lets me know. This week I did put AM routine. So me adding it here and giving myself from 7 a.m. basically until 9 a.m. to complete my AM routine, and then these are the things that are on my AM routine. So that's kind of how they work together. Like, I will just kind of put an overview of the different things that I need to do in a specific time slot, and then the list of everything that I need to do is here because I don't have the space to write it all, everything that I want to do in this particular space. So I will flip to here. I will make sure that I have done everything on my AM routine. And with my PM routine, it immediately starts after I finish working. So if I finish working at 6 p.m., then I will start my workspace reset. I'll set hair. I'll do everything on this list at that time. So those are the two routines that I have. And then the very next page is my cleaning routine. So with this, like if I add on my catch-all planner to clean up or do a reset or anything that I need to do for the house, I will come here and see the different things that I need to do in particular rooms. For the most part, I do try and clean certain rooms throughout the course of the week. The living room, I clean that every single morning. I'm doing a living room reset every single morning because that is the most lived-in space in our home. So the living room, it's at the top because it's constantly being cleaned. Kitchen is second, the bathrooms is third, then I will go to our bedrooms. I don't do these every single day. The bathrooms and the bedrooms don't have to be done every single day. Living and kitchen do. Bathrooms and bedrooms are usually done on a Wednesday. And then I have my office and studio, which is usually done on a Friday, and laundry is done every day. So as you can see, I kind of have a system of when I'm going to clean certain things, but the living room and the kitchen is every day. And having this quick list, this quick reference in my planner to be able to see everything that I need to do is really makes it really easy for me. So as you can see, there is a method to my madness. I don't have many stickers on this page, and I like to keep the things that I do the most at the very top, and then it goes down to the places that I don't have to clean as much, but they are cleaned usually on the same days. On the next page, I have our projects list. So once again, this is just a list of everything that I would like to do in our home. And if you have a home, then you know that this is an extensive ongoing list that will not go anywhere anytime soon. So I just like to keep track of different things that I would like to do. Many times I will look at this list at the beginning of the year, and then I will try and plan different things that I'm going to do per month. So I just keep a list of everything here, and then as I am planning and doing my monthly planning, I can come to this list, look and see if there's anything that we can complete in the upcoming month, and then I will add it to my monthly spread. But this is just a great way to stay on top of home projects. Now for my budget planner, I don't have a notebook in front of this planner, and that's mainly because it's a customized planner, so everything that I need is in here. For my work planner, I do have a meetings section, which is a notebook section to where I can kind of write down anything that is being said in a meeting that I may need to complete or do. I'm not going to show you guys that one because, as you know, I work for my church. I'm the CFO of my church, and I don't share anything that is from this planner because it has a lot of sensitive information because, you know, I'm over finances. But my reading planner does have a notebook section in there, and that one is basically just a list of everything that I want to read. So I have listed out the different books that I want to read, and that is at the very beginning of the planner. And then you guys know that if you flip into the planner anytime that I have read something, I am basically just going to write out all of my notes within the planner. But I like to keep track of the different things that I want to read, and then after I have read them, I will just mark them off with a red pen, put a check there. I might put the date, and I'll probably rate that particular book. So I hope that this has given you some ideas of different notebooks that you can put within your planner. And like I said, since I have a disc bound planner, that makes it so much easier for me to be able to pop sheets in my planner and pop sheets out. I'm able to take it out right within it and then pop the pages in. If I get an email or something, I'm able to print that out, punch holes in it, and pop it in as well. It makes it very, very, very easy to be able to monitor and take notes throughout the course of my day. And if you're wondering about the notebook sheets that I am using, this is a sheet that I created. It is available as a PDF download, or if you want a pack of printed paper, you can get that from my Etsy shop. So guys, I hope that this video has helped you if you are trying to add different notebooks or notes within your planner and you didn't have any ideas or you did not know what to put in there. Then hopefully this will give you some ideas for different things that you can do within your planner. Of course, if you have any other additional ideas other than the ones that I gave in this video, make sure that you leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas because I'm always looking for more things that I can add within my planner. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram at The Organized Money if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.